Viva Sales is easy to deploy from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Select Show All. Expand Settings and select Integrated Apps. Select Get Apps. In the App Source dialog box, search for Viva Sales. You should see 2 Viva Sales apps. Select Get It Now on the Viva Sales for Microsoft Outlook app. Within the Deploy New App dialog, ensure both the Teams app and Outlook add-in are selected. Select which users or groups will get the Viva Sales add-in. Permissions must be approved for both the Outlook add-in and the Teams app. Select the Next button and then you'll be ready to finish deployment. After a moment, the deployment will complete and bring you back to the Integrated Apps page within the Admin Center. The app is now enabled in Teams, but not installed. In the next step, you will need to go to the Microsoft Teams Admin Center and create setup policies to install the app for users. Within the Teams Admin Center, expand Teams app, and select Setup Policies from the side panel. Press the Add button to create a new policy. Give the policy a friendly name. In the Installed Apps section, press the Add Apps button and search for Viva Sales. Once found, select the Add button. We can also auto-pin the Viva Sales app for easy access by your users. Once complete, select Save. Next, we can assign the new policy to a user group. Select the Group Policy Assignment tab, then select Add. Search for and add the group you want to assign the policy to. Ideally, this is the group that sellers belong to. You can then change the ranking if you like, and then select the policy you created earlier, followed by the Apply button. It may take a bit of time for the apps to be deployed. When ready, you can open Outlook and find the Viva Sales add-in installed as well as the Teams app within Teams. If you are not using the out-of-the-box Dynamics 365 sales security roles for your administrators and sellers, you will need to assign the Viva Sales security role to them. See the online documentation for details.